So for a long time, I've been trying to wake up at 6 a.m. so that I could get some writing done before I have to start work in the morning. So I would keep this up for a couple of days, and then, after a week or so, I would inevitably fall back to my habit of going to bed late and waking up late. And so today I'm going to talk about this one little mental shift that I made that has actually turned me into a morning person. So there's 3 layers in behavior change: a change in outcomes, a change in processes, and a change in identity. So after a lot of thinking, I realized that there are 2 beliefs that I had about myself that have been stopping me from developing these habits. And the first one is that I'm not a morning person. And the second one is that I'm not the kind of person who can be tied down to routine habits. And so to start, I started doing this weird little trick where every time I would wake up early, I tried to channel someone who I thought would be like a morning person and who would wake up energized and happy. Like Michelle Obama or Kobe Bryant. And so I just pretended for a few split seconds that I'm them. And that actually made the process so much easier. And then over time, I started picturing myself in like an alternate reality as someone who wakes up early, gets stuff done, and gets energized in the morning. And so I'm just gonna leave you with one of my favorite quotes from James Clear, who is the author of Atomic Habits. Your identity emerges out of your habits. Every action is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. So every time I wake up early or complete a habit, then I just imagine a stadium full of people saying, "Yay, Dami!"